Yeah, this is Pandit Fakir Yogi, Birendra Yogi, adventure rider, beloved friends. Cybercrime is going on in such a vast way that people are losing their name, fame, reputation, money. But I ask the government, right from Narendra Modi to Amit Shah and everybody and every chief minister of every state, learn from Yogi Adityanath. If you are a criminal, you are doing cybercrime, you are looting, plundering, murdering, massacring, doing any kind of gundism, hooliganism, you will be punished then and there. Why don't the other fools learn from that? Why not the Prime Minister learn from Yogi Adityanath? Why not Amit Shah learn from Amit Nath? You have such a vast resources of your power. You have the defense forces. You have the police forces. What the hell you are doing? Learn from Yogi Adityanath then and there. You do the crime and you are punished next day. Maybe within 24 hours, justice will be done. Honorable Yogi Adityanath, you are my Bond, James Bond. That's why I am Yogi, Virendra Yogi. Why don't they learn lessons? What the hell you are doing? Maybe there are a lot of greedy dynasty rulers who want to come in power. But you guys, Amit Shah, Narendra Modi, you came from ordinary family. You know the pain, sorrow, suffering, grief of the ordinary people. Yogi Adityanath, you know very well how poor is your family, but still you are one of the richest administrator on earth. You are living for the people of your country, for your state. Why don't everyone learn from them? What the hell the cybercrime commissioners are doing? I have visited some of the commissioners' office. There are something hundreds and hundreds of police. What hell you are doing? Days pass, week pass, months pass, but no detection, no arrest of these criminal cyber crimes. In my case, Ultratech, fraud, Ashish, Dwivedi, the son of the bitch, the motherfucker, and then the bitch, the greatest IUC, they are still at large. They have looted my thousands and lakhs of rupees, posing as Ultratech distributor. What is going on, cybercrime officials? What is going on, Home Ministry? What is going on, the chief ministers of the states? Shame on all of you. If the citizens of the country are not safe, in spite of having the host of army, host of police, host of intelligence, everything is with you, still poor people like me become victims of cybercrime. Murder them, massacre them, bloodbath. You want bloodbath? Yogi is doing bulldozing, it is less. Shoot at sight. Encounters publicly at the side of the television broadcast so that they should shiver. They should shiver. The incarnation of Buddha and Vivekananda and me, I trust everyone. I'm the purest man you can find on the earth. I trusted these fools, they cheated me. What the hell you are doing, Modi? What the hell you are doing, Amit Shah? Here you should resign. You are telling Sri Ram, Jai Sri Ram, Ram temple. But learn from Ram. When one washerman was scolding his wife, who was absconding for a week, Ram heard this. And I quote what the washerman could have said. The washerman was telling to his wife, I am not Ram, that she was abducted and taken to Sri Lanka. And Ram was so stupid that he received him with honor and dignity as his wife. Ram learned this, came back home, ordered Lakshmana to take Sita and banish her in the forest where love and Kusha were born. Have you this kind of a spying agency? Modi, Amit Shah, Yogi, and every chief ministers of every state. If you are not doing this, shame on you. If your people are cheated, if your people are plundered, if your people are victims of these criminals, these goons and gundas, they have a broad spectrum. These criminals are given tickets, they are fighting elections, become ministers, become MPs and MLA. Shame on you! And I feel proud that I belong to a country which is democracy and there is a right of expression. That's why I'm loudly speaking, very loudly speaking. Long live Mother India! Long live Bharat! Bharat Mata ki Jai! and Bharat Mata ki Samvidhan ki jai. These fools are also defaming Ambedkar. When he was alive, he was tortured, he was insulted, he was abused. Hear Ambedkar being interviewed by BBC in 1955. How idiot were Nehrus and Gandhis. How abusive they were. And today their legacy, when Amit Shah said, Ambedkar, 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 they misunderstood. Just by calling name of Ambedkar, Ambedkar, to exploit our backward caste, SC/ST, they are telling Ambedkar, but in life Ambedkar was victims of their torturous, hateful attitude. Don't we indulge in duplicacy. Don't be indulged in contrast. दोगलापन, साला दोगलो, ब्लडी डिफ्यूशन हो जाएगा एक दिन, याद रखना. हमारे तरह सूरवीर सुरमा शिवाजी और महाराणा प्रताप जैसे होंगे तो तुम्हारे जैसे छद्मों को छलनी कर दिया जाएंगे. जागो मेरे हिंदुस्तान के बालक और बालिका, देशभक्ति से पवित्रता की रास्ते पर चलते हुए इनको भी सावधान करो. मोदी, योगी, आदित्य अच्छा कर रहे हैं आप, लेकिन फिर भी हमारे लोग परेशान. मैं परेशान हूँ, गरीब हूँ भाई, खाने पीने को नहीं है. मेरे घर के लोग डोनेशन पर चल रहे हैं और उसके पैसे लूटे जा रहे हैं. अभी तक वो पकड़ा नहीं गया. शर्म आनी चाहिए. आप लोगों को तो सब कुछ है भैया. राजा महाराजा की ज़िंदगी जी रहे हो, पब्लिक को चूतिया बना रहे हो, पब्लिक को लूट रहे हो और लुटवा रहे हो इन गुंडों से, चोरों से, बदमाशों से, शैतानों से. लॉन्ग लिव योगी आदित्यनाथ. हिंदुस्तान के शहर जमीन पर अगर जनता का कोई भी सचमुच का सेवक है तो योगी है. कुछ करके दिखाओ मोदी, फिर आपका भी नाम लूंगा. धन्यवाद.